So I'm going to start naming the different body parts, starting with the hallux, which is the big toe. We got the axillary, the armpit, buccal, cheek, pollex, thumb, patellar, kneecap, oral, mouth, mental, chin, brachial, upper arm, antebrachial, forearm, crural is the leg, umbilical, femoral, the thigh, calcaneal, which is the heel, sural, which is the calf, popliteal, which is behind the knee, olecranon is the elbow, acromial is the shoulder, and occipital is behind the head, right here. So now I'm going to explain the directional terms. Okay, so the head is superior to the sternum, meaning it's higher than the sternum. The olecranon is distal to the acromion. The olecranon is distal to the acromion, which it means it's farther to the connecting point here. The axilla is proximal to the brachium, so they're closer to the same connecting point. The nose is medial to the eyes, meaning the nose is dividing the two structures. It's in the center. The elbow is proximal to the carpus. The elbow is proximal to the carpus. It's closer to this connecting point. The sternum is anterior to the vertebral column. Can you turn this way? The sternum right here is closer to the front of the body than the vertebral column. The umbilicus is inferior to the sternum. So the umbilicus is farther from the head than the sternum. The patella is proximal to the tarsus. So the kneecap is closer to the ankle, the connecting point there. And then the ears are lateral to the nose. The ears are lateral to nose, which they are farther from the midline. All right, now we are going to go to the 9 abdominopelvic regions. We're going to start over here. So we have the right hypochondriac region, and this region contains the liver and the gallbladder. Next is the right lumbar region. This region contains the kidney and the small intestine. We're going to go on to the right iliac region. This region contains the appendix and the cecum. Up here is the epigastric. This region contains the stomach and part of the liver. Here is the umbilical region, and this contains the small and large intestines as well as the gallbladder. And then down here we have the hypogastric region, which contains the urinary bladder and the small intestine. Over here we have the left hypochondriac region, which has the spleen and the pancreas. Next we have the left lumbar region, which contains the colon and the kidney. And then finally we have the left iliac region, which contains the small and large intestines.